currently the president of the Rotary Club of Baguio Sunrise. And we have so many, we belong to NGO, and we are giving service to the community. We have several areas of focus, which includes mother and child care, environmental concerns about vocational education also, water and sanitation, and peace and conflict resolution. And in line with our focus of peace and conflict resolution, we are very happy to be part of the Advocacy Council of this group. And I have with me my fellow Rotarians. We have here Adrian Bautista, known as Totoy Bugoy in the media. And also we have Miss Lilian Gonzaga, who is the Rotarian, also a Rotarian, and we have Rotarian Annalisa Abuan. On a personal, we are always on the lookout for partners in service. So if you would like to join us as a member, can be, and if you want also to have business with us, that also can be done. And if it aligns with our focus, we can even ask grants from the Rotary International, and they're giving us in dollars. Just recently, we received around $3,000. And nakalimutan ko yung mga mass, marami pa akong mass na galing sa Rotary International. Maybe we give it pa to our battalion for them. Naiwan ko kanina, nagmamadali ako. I'm really sorry. Pero I will allot one box for you. And we are also into different we are also adopting communities. We call it the Rotary Community Corps, and we have at the one that is based in Alno Kaburi Elementary School. So our projects includes mentoring the mentors. We are teaching the teachers technology, because part of our groups we have the Rotaract clubs. The Rotaract clubs are the younger versions of Rotary, and we have the Rotaract club of STI, and so they're the ones providing this service. And then in cooperation with the Municipal Agriculture Office, we're trying to put up also an agricultural project wherein we will try to develop we'll try to produce this kind of flowers that are not yet available commercially. It's like it's like a paper roses flowers. And right now we are constructing also hand water facilities at Alno Kaburi Elementary School. And if there are other things that you need, maybe we'll see if we can work on this. On a personal note, I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Astana Properties and Development Corporation. So kung meron din po kayong alam na magpagawa ng bahay, i-plug ko na rin. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity.